In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm Debit Card 2025, step by step. Think of the Affirm card as a Visa debit card with extra flexibility. You can pay in full, just like any debit card, or request payment plans in the app for eligible purchases. That means you can choose what works best for your budget, either upfront or over time. Once your Affirm card is created, you'll have two versions to work with. You'll get a virtual card right away inside the app, so you can start shopping immediately. A physical card will arrive in about 7 to 10 business days, and you'll need to activate it before your first in-store swipe. If you originally applied through Apple Pay, make sure to request a physical card inside the Affirm app. Both cards connect to the same account, but for security, they have different numbers. You'll find the physical card number printed on the back of the card. To view your virtual card details, open the Affirm app, go to the Card tab, and tap the image of the card at the top to reveal your card information. Keep this screen secure and only use it on trusted devices and networks. Here's how payments work. If you have a linked bank account, you can request a payment plan before checkout for eligible purchases over $35. You can also request a plan after checkout, up to 24 hours, for eligible purchases over $50, or simply pay in full using funds from your linked account. If you don't have a linked bank account, the card will only work when you request a payment plan before you check out. And if you have a linked Affirm Money account, you get extra time, up to 48 hours after checkout, to request a payment plan on eligible purchases. You can use both the virtual and physical cards anywhere Visa is accepted, subject to merchant eligibility for payment plans. Online, just enter your card details like any other debit card. In stores, either tap, swipe, or insert your physical card at the register, or add your virtual card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for quick contactless checkout. You don't need to wait for the physical card to arrive to start shopping. To add your Affirm card to Apple Wallet or Google Pay, open the Affirm app, choose the Card tab, tap the settings gear in the top right, select Add to Apple Pay or Google Pay, and follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup. That's it. Activate, view your details, choose pay in full or a plan, and shop online or in person wherever Visa is accepted.